Welcome to Pydle Day 66. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is the Windows logo. Because it is a 4x4 in this one, because it needs the different squares need to be equal size, we left with one row and one column of just white cells to pad our little graphic. So have a go at solving that. If you haven't played Pydle before, I'm going to solve yesterday's Pydle to give you a flavor of how to play. Okay, so yesterday's Pydle was a bar chart, kind of increasing trend, and then the different colors. So we're going to need some sort of a collection of the colors, so we're just going to call it colors equals, and we're just going to use a tuple. So white, red, orange, yellow, and green. Okay. So for the graphic, we're going to need to use two loops. So for x in range 5, because we need to do all of that, but the y's we're going to do for y in range only 4, because the bottom row is actually just kept the default color, which is black. Okay, so just looking at the whites, what would be the condition where we need to color the cells white? So if we say if y, what is that condition? So when x equals 0, it needs to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, if y less than 4, now the next one, so that needs to decrease with x. So it needs to start at 4, but then it needs to decrease linearly with x. So we need to do minus x. So that's gonna give us all the white cells. So let's do Pydle white. Let's see if that worked. Okay, that is correct. So all we can now do is just else. So all the remaining pixels in this 5x4 grid, they need to be colored. We can do that by, again, x, y, no character. And now we can use our collection of colors. Okay. Some of you may notice that this else statement is never going to hit for I equals 0. So we're never actually going to use the white there. So either we could have made this collection of colors one less, start at red and do colors I minus 1, or I just have a dummy element there, the white, even though it's never used, and then we can just do colors I instead of I minus 1. Okay. Oh, sorry, yeah, that should be X. Okay, and that solves the Pydle. Hope you had fun solving yesterday's Pydle, and have a go at today's Pydle. And I'll see you again tomorrow.